Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. This is Faiza and today I'm going to be doing a soft glam look. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting with the Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. I love using this because it gives my skin more shine as compared to just using a foundation. And I'm gonna go ahead and spread this evenly across my face, and then I'm gonna move on to my foundation. For the foundation, I am using the 2 Clay foundation by YSL, and the color that I'm using is BD50. I love using this foundation for its very smooth and dewy finish. Whenever I apply this foundation, it is a full coverage foundation, but it feels so light on your skin, and I guess that's the reason why I love using this, because it's perfect for a glam look. And you guys already know how much I love my Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. Best concealer out there. I'm using the color Light, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just cover all the dark areas like my dark circles, my the bridge of my nose, I guess my chin and whatnot, and I'm gonna go ahead and just smooth it out with a beauty blender. For the contouring, I am using the Wonder Stick by NYX. The color that I'm using is WS02 in medium tan. I should be going for a darker color, but I can never find it when I visit the store. It's always sold out. So I ended up going for a lighter color. But yeah, I love using this. It's a really good contour stick. So guys, check this out if you haven't already. Moving on to my bronzer, I am using the Film Star Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the best bronzer out there, guys. It gives me such a good bronze, or like a tan, that I'm using this. I could be wearing this every day if I had the palette with me all the time. And the highlighter isn't any less as well. It does an amazing job as well. And now I'm finishing everything off by using the translucent powder by Laura Mercier. It's one of the best powders out there, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap everything up here. And thank you, my Vasanthi family, for sending me this amazing blush. I am using the color Orchid, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pop my face a little. For my brows, I am using the Vasanthi Brow Powder Pencil, and I am using the color dark brown. I have just started using this technique where I brush my hair down first and then fill it up, and then I'm gonna brush it upwards and just gonna fill up all the other spaces as well. Starting the eyes, I am using my Primark palette here. I'm just gonna use just one of the colors here, which is the camel color, which I'm gonna be using as the base. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe brush, and I'm gonna just set that all across my eyes. Now here comes the important step, guys. So I'm using the liquid eyeshadow by Stella Cosmetics, and I'm using the color Buste Mauve here. The reason why I love using this, because it's so easy to use and it gives you such a good glow in just like within like 10 seconds, as compared to just applying a bunch of eyeshadows all together. So I'm gonna be just using this on the outer corner of my eyes, but you can go ahead and just make it more glam by just applying it evenly across your eyes as well. I always take this extra step to apply eyeshadow underneath my eyes as well, as I feel like this gives me a full glam look. For the eyeliner, I'm staying away from the harsh eyeliners, and I'm gonna be using the kohl eyeliner in the color brown by Inam Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and wing my eyes, and then using a brush, I'm just gonna blend it out a little. Using a Revlon color, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes, and now I'm gonna move on to my mascara. I am using a new mascara today. It is by L'Oreal Paris, and the color that I'm using is Carbon Black. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the upper lashes and the bottom lashes. For the lips, I am using the lip pencil by NYX, and I am using SPL 828 Ever. This color is very close to my lip color. That's why I love using this, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just line up my lips here. For the lipstick, I am using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and I'm using 65 Seductress. Again, it's more of a very nude pinkish color, and it's perfect for a glam look. This lip gloss is seriously amazing. It's by Vasanthi Cosmetics, and the color that I'm using is Ace 662. It's amazing to use, and it just pops my lips so well and keeps them hydrated. And that's it, we're done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys, take care, bye.